changing handwriting, again, does not mean, from my understanding, I try to write more beautiful. Or I try to change my handwriting that nobody can see that I have written it. But it is that you just think of 1 or 2 or 3 details in your handwriting which you could change. And you do it as an exercise, not just when you can always do it, but then do it as an exercise that you sit down and copy a text, yeah? Or when you have a poem in your mind, you just write it. And then you just change, maybe instead of a dot on the I, you make a little circle, yeah? Or if you write an F and you normally stop very high, each F you draw the line deeper, yeah? Or the Chinese, you have something, another example, yeah? But I think you know what I mean, yeah? Yeah, that you change one little habit or two, yeah? And the strange thing is, what you probably will notice, the whole handwriting changes. So I do not try to change my handwriting. I try not to forget what I wanted to change. Yeah. Oh, again, I forgot to make a circle, and again I made a dot. Yeah. Next time I do my dot. Yeah. My circle. And then I have an ugly handwriting. When you see my handwriting, my notes, you can hardly read it. Yeah. It's really not beautiful how I write. Yeah. And I can write. Yeah. Yeah. That's how I take my notes. Yeah. Yeah. And that's what it looks when I do an exercise. Yeah. And I'm so surprised what comes out of it. So here I only tried to make in between, I made a little circle. So I write and make a little circle, and then I continue. And the whole handwriting becomes, yeah, like a child or something. Or I make the distance between the letters bigger. Or, yeah, whatever. Or one letter I wrote like this, and the next letter I wrote like this, and the next letter I wrote like this. Yeah. And this do for 15 or 20 minutes. And that's another experience that, yeah, I work sometimes till late, and then I'm really tired. I want to go to bed, or I didn't do my exercise. And then I still start, I'm so tired. And then you're so tired, and suddenly something beautiful comes, and you forget your tiredness. That's also a deep experience. And that's why with this exercise, what do we touch? That's now somehow this bringing out what lives in you. Yeah, the etheric quality, the inner beauty, the inner harmony which lives in us. This simple exercise somehow gives touches, yeah, allows that the inner life adds to what we do.